Neuschwanstein Castle, located in Germany, is a breathtaking architectural masterpiece that attracts tourists from all over the world. This iconic castle is set amidst the picturesque landscapes of Bavaria and has become a symbol of Germany's rich history and culture. Neuschwanstein Castle, built by King Ludwig of Bavaria, showcases stunning medieval architecture with tall towers, ornate facades and intricate details. The interior of the castle is equally impressive, with luxurious rooms adorned with exquisite artwork and furniture. Tourism at Neuschwanstein Castle is thriving, with millions of visitors flocking to experience its grandeur every year. Travelers have the opportunity to explore the luxurious interior of the castle, decorated with intricate wood carvings, beautiful frescoes and sumptuous furnishings. The panoramic views from the castle over the surrounding landscape are truly impressive. A visit to Neuschwanstein Castle is an unforgettable experience that allows you to travel back in time and immerse yourself in history. It offers tours that give an insight into the life of King Ludwig. Thus, Neuschwanstein Castle in Germany is a must-visit destination for travelers looking for a combination of history, architecture, and natural beauty. Its enchanting landscape and rich cultural heritage make it unforgettable for those who appreciate art and history.